Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies a future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target, because it is time. One target, one mission. designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction, with multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
To empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Here at the NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies.
For the things I learned today.
College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
Another valuable action today live still here at the NCF covered court. It's the quarterfinals of semi-finals of the UNC Greyhounds versus the Pamukid National High School. And syempre, again, makakasama niyo muli. Ako po si Kelly Francisco.
And I am Rick Puerta para bigyan ulit tayo ng magagandang volleyball insights, highlights dito sa araw na ito. Again, very crucial na ang part na to on our women's division ng Volleyball Bucal Season 6 because nasa semi-finals round na tayo. And again, Pamukid National High School versus the UNC Greyhounds. I'm so excited sa magiging performance dito ng Pamukid National High School knowing na this is their first time to participate in Bucal. But again, nagpakilala na itong school na ito at nakaabot na sa ating semi-finals round. And on the other side of things, UNC Greyhounds, they are known for their good ball handling, their attacks. Sila yung nakaharap ng BU and NCF on that last season na talaga namang nagbigay ng napakagandang volleyball actions dito sa Bucal.
Obviously, Rick, hindi natin pwede basta-bastahin lang dito yung Pamukid National High School knowing that obviously they are now on the semifinals at alam nating maipapakita pa silang husay at galing when it comes to volleyball. But as you are now seeing on the screen, we have now the UNC Greyhound talking about that. Of course, knowing this school, an impressive team from Naga City will be showing another emphatic plays later on against the Pamukid. And now talking about naman on the side of the Pamukid National High School, these youngsters players, wow, they are junior high school yet they have the experience right now here in Bucal Season 6 and will be playing, of course, surely a good game against the UNC Greyhounds, and knowing that the UNC Greyhounds will go, I think, for the national Prisaa, right,
Yes.
Rick? And knowing their performance inside the court, they will be showing later on against the Pamukid High School their emphatic plays. At yan ang aabangan natin dito sa ating live stream. However, on the side naman of the UNC Greyhound, let's hear an update to Precious. Precious, take it away.
Maraming salamat to Rick and Kelly. A high-striking evening, Bicol Lancha. This is once again the League of Creating Champions were futurized. This is Bucal Season 6 Volleyball Tournament. At ngayong gabi ay matutunghayan natin ang malakas at inaasam-asam na tagisan ng dalawang koponan, the Pamukid Lady Blue Dragons versus the UNC Lady Greyhounds. Last matchup nga ay nasabi ng head coach from Pamukid National High School na they are aiming and eyeing to to have a battle against our UNC Greyhounds. Well, Rick and Kelly, I believe that their wish is set to happen live here at the NCF covered court. Kaya pakatutukan natin kung ano nga ba ang baon ng ating UNC Lady Greyhounds. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Precious. Knowing that these players from the UNC Greyhounds, they all have the experience, and we are seeing on the screen right now some of the seniors of the UNC Greyhounds. Syempre, magpapakita sila maya-maya lamang ng magandang laro. And also, let's wish them a very, very good luck for the upcoming National Prisa on Tuguegarao. They will be bringing pride. They will be bringing whole Bicol region
on the seniors women's division ng volleyball sa National PISA. And on the other side of things, to know more about the preparations at kung anong mga pinagandaan dito ng Pamukid National High School, let's call our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi, Zai! Anong update natin dyan?
Hey there again, Rick and Kelly, and a pleasant afternoon to our viewers here on Bucal's official Facebook page. And let's not forget about GNN TV 48 Naga, Bida and Bicolano. And today, Rick and Kelly, I am so excited para umpisan ang ating second game for today. This is the semi-final round of the Season 6 Bucal Volleyball Women's Division. I am Sholomar Zaiminiano from the side of the Pamukid National High School. And these young players are one of the most promising team nga of today's season. We have a really powerful
Ayan. Thank you so much for that update on the side of Pamukid National High School. So on your screen, ang ating Pamukid National High School na talaga namang nabanggit nga dito ni Zai, promising players para dito sa Bucal Season 6. Kahit mga juniors pa lamang itong players on the side of Pamukid National High School, talagang napakaganda na ng nilaro nila dito sa ating liga. And I'm so excited ngayon dito sa dalawang kupunan kung sino ang magkakaroon ng magandang momentum, makakakuha ng first up to third set. Yan ang aabangan natin dito sa ating araw na ito. Meanwhile, thank you so much po ulit sa ating mga live audiences sa loob ng NCF Covered Court sa patuloy na pagtutok at panunood simula sa ating first game up until this second match of this Thursday triple header volleyball action. Now, in a few minutes, magsisimula na ang bakbakan between these two teams. And of course, sa lahat ng mga nakatutok sa atin, sa ating live coverage, thank you so much din po at shout out kay Algen Adayo, Rowie May Gonzalez, kay Angela Ampongan, kay Joyce Gonzalez, kay Charlene Gonzalez, at kay Lizelle Puerta. Thank you so much and happy watching.
And of course, batiin rin natin ang ating ibang live viewers on our official Facebook page. We have Wena Tres Valles, binabati rin natin si Brian Tosok, as well as binabati rin natin si Chi Ramos, and of course, Angelo Gabarda. And of course, Sir Kim, maraming salamat sa pagtutok sa amin yan. But again, let's hear another one on the side of the Pamukid National High School. Zai, ano ang update dyan at ano pa ang mga kailangan nating malaman sa iyong side? Zai, take it away. Okay, we'll be back again later on after there is a technicalities happening right now. Syempre, batiin muna natin ang ating live audiences right now. We have UG, who is actually happy right now seeing to play someone inside the court earlier. And makikilala rin natin siya maya-maya lamang. And
Yes.
of course, we have the supporters of UNC Greyhounds as well as Pamukid National High School still live here at the NCF covered court. Siyempre, I would like to acknowledge the presence of station manager of GNN TV 48 Naga, Mr. Jermin Jacob, and as well as our production head, we have Ma'am Irene Tosok. And syempre, ang lahat ng bumubuo ng Oragon Sports TV at GNN TV 48 Naga. Syempre, tutukan natin ang iba't ibang shows dito sa aming channel. Sa Oragon Sports, we have Sportify. We also have News Break on GNN TV 48 Naga. At wag po natin kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel as well as to like and follow our Facebook page. As you're now seeing on the screen again, let's hear an update on the side of the Pamukid National High School. The ever-beautiful courtside reporter, Zai. Ano ang dapat naming malaman dyan? Take it away.
And again, for the third time, Kelly and Rick, magandang hapon sa inyo and a pleasant afternoon to our viewers here on Bucal's official Facebook page. And let's not forget about the GNN TV 48 Naga, Bidaan Bicolano. And today, Rick and Kelly, I am so excited para umpisahan ang ating second game for today. This is the semi-final round of the Season 6 Bucal Volleyball Women's Division. So I am Sholmar Zaiminiano from the side of the Pamukid National High School, and these young players are one of the most promising teams nga this season. We have a really powerful volleyball enthusiast dito, kaya naman station lamang here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. So sit back, relax, and wait sa mga kaganapan dito sa loob ng court. This is Sholmar Zaiminiano from the side of the Pamukid National High School. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kelly.
Thank you so much, Zai. Finally done with that update. We're really sorry for the technicalities. And of course, these youngsters will show their true colors later on inside the court. Their eagerness to win. Right now, still on the screen, we'll be starting our first set by starting the players today.
On your screen, pinapakita dito ang first 6 on the side of Pamukid National High School. Ayan, let's see kung sino ang magsa-stand out dito sa kanilang kupunan. And on your screen then, the first 6 on the side of UNC Greyhound. Ayan. First 6 for both teams are now ready to take on the challenge this evening for winning this semi-final round. Again, we cannot conclude yet kung kanino mapupunta ang larong ito because we know UNC Greyhounds is veteran kung titingnan dito sa dalawang kupunan. And on the other side of things naman, itong Pamukid National High School, batak din ang trainings because I believe sumasali din sila sa mga palaro. That's why this is a good match-up for these both teams. Matira matibay, and let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang set number 1.
Actually, Rick, if I'm not mistaken, they will be representing Camarines Sur in Bicol Meet. If not, if I mistake, please correct me now on the live stream. If not, of course, aside from that, they are playing talaga against different teams in Camarines Sur, and they have the experience. But let's see on the different side naman here in Bucal on how they will adjust on their different plays. We'll be starting now on our first set.
Ayan. Meron lang ditong clarifications on the side of officials to make sure na magiging maganda ang flow ng ating laro this evening. So first service will go on the side of UNC Greyhounds. Good serve. And with that good serve, unang puntos ay mapupunta sa side ng Greyhounds. Again, on deck to serve, we have jersey number 1.
Another good serve, and it's a point again for the UNC Greyhounds. An early strong momentum there for the UNC Greyhounds. Still on the service line, jersey number 8, serving. Service ace once again for the UNC Greyhound. Medyo, the Pamukid National High School is now overwhelming, and let's see and how they will adjust on this. Still on the service line. But that would be the stop of their momentum. It's an out for the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, opportunity on the side of Pamukid to score. 1-2 play, nabantayan yon. And now, attack from their team captain. Nice coverage. Too strong para dito kay jersey number 4 on the side of the Greyhounds. That's why isang puntos na lamang ang kailangang habulan dito ng Blue Dragons to tie this matchup. Another great serve. And now, setting up jersey number 6. And a miscommunication on the side of Pamukid National High School on that last sequence. That's why the point will be awarded on the side of the Greyhounds.
Now serving for the Greyhounds. Nice hustle there. Team captain! And she saw that hole. Hulog coming from Servillon.
Yes. Siya yung naging best player of the game, Cali, last game on their side. So, expect na magkakaroon ito ng magandang gameplay.
And also, Rick, she is the reliable player on the side of the Pamukid National High School. But right now, on the opposite, kinapos si Leal dito. Kaya naman puntos for the UNC Greyhounds.
5-3 is our score.
A joust there coming from the UNC Greyhound.
Again, UNC Greyhounds nagpapakawala ng mga heavy serves. That's why nahihirapan dito when it comes to executing play. Itong ating Pamukid National High School. Chance for the Greyhounds in the middle. Getting a point on that quick hit coming from jersey number 3.
A strong hit coming from jersey number 3.
Better reception this time.
Good coverage there. Now chance in the middle, and a block coming from jersey number 3 of the UNC Greyhound, and the Pamukid National High School will be calling a timeout. It's 8-3 on the scoreboard right now. Let's take a look on the Pamukid National High School on their huddle. As of the moment, I think, Rick, they will be talking about their adjustment, what's happening inside right now.
Now, After this timeout, let's see kung magkakaroon ba ng changes dito yung galaw on the side of Pamukid National High School. Because you can see, Greyhounds players at this moment talagang nag-enjoy dito with their 5-point lead. And now again, on deck to serve, we have jersey number 4. Jersey number 6 will try. Ball is still alive. Chance for the Greyhounds here to score. Great dig coming from Cervillon. Pipe attack. Too strong on that. Para dito kay jersey number 11. And with that, UNC Greyhounds is very happy at this moment para dito sa ating first set.
Service ace coming from the UNC Greyhound.
Now, Pamukid National High School needs to loosen up at this moment and gawin yung gameplay na sinasabi dito ng kanilang head coach. Jersey number 6 will try. Good coverage. Now, close at the net.
The coverage was actually not in the good hands. Kaya naman masyadong nataasan yung bola dito. Hindi nahabol ng kanilang kakampi. But on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, pinako na po sa 3 points ng UNC ang Pamukid dito. But let's see. Chance once again to convert a point. One hand set in the middle. Deflected on the hands. But a point for the UNC Greyhounds. Another timeout called by Pamukid National High School. And let's take a look on this replay. That highlights on that. Another one for this block again. And a service ace from the UNC. They are showing right now their versatility in terms of playing volleyball.
And now, Kelly, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating 130 viewers. Shoutout kay Chen, Shaira Nicolas at kay Sara Martires. Thank you so much and happy watching.
Ay, maraming salamat po sa pagtutok sa aming live streaming for Bucal Women's Volleyball. We're back on the hard court. Now, Cervillon on the back. Good pick up. Now, chance. Another but a good hit once again for the UNC Greyhounds. It's 13-3 on the scoreboard. Medyo nahihirapan dito ang Pamukid when it comes to their defense.
UNC Greyhounds looking good para dito sa pagsisimula ng set.
Another point for the UNC Greyhounds.
14-3 is our score. Wow. UNC Greyhounds showing dominance para dito sa set number 1. Great serve. Leal will try. Doon yung depensa ng UNC. Great dig.
A little miscue there for the Pamukid. Now chance opposite, but a strong hit coming from the UNC Greyhounds, jersey number 5, puntos for Pamukid. And now Olaguer will go inside and jersey number 4, Leal will go outside. And Olaguer will be serving on the side of Pamukid. But it's a miss serve there for the Pamukid. This is a very young player inside the court.
But again, young but talented players on the side of Pamukid. And now a chance for them to attack.
Good deflection now.
Ball is still alive. Chance on the side of Pamukid to get a point. Good coverage on the side of Greyhounds, and successful on that last one on getting a point on their side. Jersey number 8 with an attack error on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 10-point lead ang kailangan ditong habulin at trabahuhin ng Pamukid National High School.
Another error for the UNC Greyhounds. Nagbibigay sila dito ng libreng puntos for the Pamukid National High School. And it's a 15-6, 9-point lead for the UNC Greyhounds. Still, they don't need to be complacent kasi we will never know what will be the result later on. But on this side, a net touch violation. Sayang yun. But still, good try for the Pamukid National High School. Now jersey number 5 will be serving. Good serve there. Now to the open. Good pick up. Chance. In the middle. Deflection. Going to the open. And another outside hit from jersey number 8.
And this, yes, Kelly. And this time, I would like to commend the effort on the side of Pamukid National High School. Their floor defense on that last sequence is on point.
Kaya hindi natin pwedeng basta-bastahin talaga, Rick, yung mga batang ito. Because we are now seeing right now. But talking about that, it's an unforced error once again for the Pamukid National High School.
And now UNC serving that one. Servillon nasa unahan na. But good.
Setting up in the middle, Servillon again. And wow, what a fighter on the side of the Pamukid Blue Dragons. You can see talaga, Rick, the leadership of this team captain on their side. Talagang, even though they're youngsters, alam mong kaya nila. May ipapakita talaga sila dito. And watch out for these players.
Ayan. On the side of Pamukid National High School, they need to maximize this rotation because nasa unahan dito sa Servillon. Their go-to player. That's why, porsyento kung porsyento.
That's actually a good anticipation on the block. However, medyo malakas yung palo na yon. It was the outside block coming from Servillon. Point for the UNC Greyhounds.
Greyhounds serve. Wow, great dig on the side of Greyhounds. Back-to-back dig for both teams. And now Greyhounds will try 1-2 play. And it was successful, Kelly. Let's take a look one more time for that 1-2 play.
It was a one-hand save. That is why it's uncontrollable. Serving. Another good serve for them. Now Servillon will pass the ball. Chance for the Greyhounds in the middle. On the back. Good pick up there. Strong dig. Now Servillon in the middle. But that goes straight to the net. Puntos for the UNC Greyhounds. It's 28.
Yes.
Lamang na lamang dito ang UNC Greyhounds. 5 points away to end this set.
Now Greyhounds to serve. Good serve. Back set to Servillon. And catching that line. Never say die on the side of Pamukid National High School. Again, pag nagkaroon sila dito ng magandang first ball at na-utilize dito ang spikers, on the side of Pamukid. Talagang nagkakaroon nga tayo dito ng rally. That's why it's very good to see these junior players. And wow! Great dig and great spike. Ball is still alive. And now, UNC will try. Andon yung reception. Pipe attack. Bay pa rin ang bola.
Deflection. Now going to the open. And it's a point for the Pamukid Blue Dragons. You know, Rick, hindi naman talaga kailangan sobrang lakas, sobrang bilis. As long as you will have that point, it's a win-win for them.
Yes. And yung mga audience dito after that point, talagang natuwa. Yes. The hype on these players. Now, puntos on the side of UNC Greyhounds. 21-10 is our score, and the lead is on the side of UNC Greyhounds.
Clearing things up with the first referee and the team captain. It's an outside serve coming from jersey number 11. This setter, hindi katangkaran pero magaling, you know, how to play smart inside the court. In the middle, a deflection, what a strong hit there for the UNC Greyhounds. Pero, still lumalaban dito yung Blue Dragons, considering that they are just junior high school.
Yes.
But they are just junior high school. They are players with experience as well. Kaya kayang-kaya nilang lumaban dito against their ates inside the court. And with the help of the net service ace, it's 23-11. 2 points away to end this set.
Now, on deck to serve, we have jersey number 1. Pipe attack. Great dig. Arizobal will try. Andon si Cervillon. Setting up that one. Straight to the net attack. And with that, UNC Greyhounds is now on set point para dito sa ating unang set.
Now serving for the set. Open. Point for the Blue Dragons. Through the block. Let's take it to the replay. Wow, look at that. Not a strong hit, but still a point. To the open. Good pick up by Cervillon. Chance for the Greyhounds. Regrettable setting up to the opposite. Now chance. A miscue. The open again.
We have a long rally here, Kelly.
And that ends the set for this game. It's 25-12 na ipanalo ng UNC dito after that shot. At magbabalik po tayo for our second set only here on Bucal Season 6 Volleyball Tournament on Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor. Kasurog kang kalikasan. Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of
And we are back here sa pagpapatuloy ng semifinals round is between the UNC Greyhounds versus the Pumukid National High School. First set goes on the side of UNC Greyhounds. What will be the adjustment and bounce back ba ang gagawin dito ng Pumukid National High School? But first point will go on the side of UNC with that powerful hit coming from jersey number 9.
Service ace coming from the UNC Greyhound. Another strong hit there. Strong start for the second set, but that ends the momentum after that service error. Right now on the side of Pumukid High School. Here's number 1 serving.
In the middle, Arizobal, but andon yung depensa ng Pamukid. Ball is still alive. We have a rally here. And to know more about the Pamukid National High School, let's call our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi, Zai. Anong balita dyan?
Kelly and Rick, this is the battle between the veterans and the rising stars. We all know that the Greyhounds are one of the pioneers of Bucal, but it seems like the Lady Dragons are also trying to build a name for themselves. Sabi nga nila, Rick and Kelly, never underestimate a team that's burning with passion and determination. This set, I feel like they'll be better towards their defenses and delve deeper into the game. Kahit na medyo maliliit ang players ng ating Lady Dragons, I know for a fact na bawing-bawi naman sila in terms of force and power. Kailangan na lang nila ng mas madami pang action sa loob ng court. Yan muna ang updates dito sa side ng Lady Dragons. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kelly.
Thank you, Zai, for that update. You talaga, di pwedeng baliwalain tong mga young players na to because the future is bright for them. And these veteran players, talagang walang masyadong awa dito. Wala ng awa kasi semi-finals for this one. And on that recent play, it's a point for the UNC Greyhound. Now, chance. Setting up to Arizobal, but a pass there. Now, in the middle, one-on-one. Point for the UNC Greyhounds. Let's take the replay. This young player showing eagerness, but right now on the side of the UNC Greyhound, let's hear an update to Precious. Precious, anong update dyan?
Yes, Rick and Kelly, unang set pa lamang ay sunod-sunod nang pinapakitaan tayo ng gilas ng ating UNC Lady Greyhounds. And red is their color, and this speaks a lot sa kanilang mantra ngayong gabi, pusong palaban. And during the huddle nga, sabi ng ating Coach Clark to the Lady Greyhounds to never let pressure take space in their game, execute with adjustments, and to never let the noise bother the team. Dahil nga, what really matters the most for them is to help one another and to not let lapses hinder them from recovering. Personally, Rick and Kelly, ramdam na ramdam ko ang nag-aalap na energy ng ating UNC Lady Greyhounds to win this matchup tonight. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much for that information and update. Precious on the side of UNC Greyhounds. So yun nga, first set pa lamang nakitaan na natin dito ng fighting spirit itong UNC Greyhounds, and up until this second set talagang nasa kanila ang momentum. But let's see kung magiging consistent ba ang kanilang players dito. And now, UNC will try on that pipe attack. Ball is still alive in the middle. Great rally here. Arizobal getting a point on that last sequence. Let's take a look one more time for that instant replay. Ayan nga, kitang-kita. Pinalasot sa blockers. (8-3) is our score. Let's take a look. After this timeout, kung magkakaroon ba ng adjustment dito ang Pamukid. Because again, UNC delivering and scoring on the side of their team. They really want to get this win this evening. So, yan ang aabangan natin as this game progresses.
Whoever win on this game and this matchup will go into the against different teams for our semifinals today. And syempre, they will go all out to give a good matchup today. We are now back on the hard court with 8-3. Good serve. On the back. Wow. Palaban na bata itong si Servillon. Look at that. She saw that donut hole. Now Olaguer once again to serve.
Olaguer to serve. This time pumasok ito. But a powerful cross-court hit coming from jersey number 8 on the side of Greyhounds. Binawian din dito ng Greyhounds itong Pamukid National High School.
With the help of the net, service ace for the UNC Greyhound. It's 10-4 on the scoreboard.
Greyhounds on deck to serve. Good serve. Too tight yung set na yon. That's why UNC Greyhounds take advantage of that. 11-4 is our score. Another error committed on the side of Pamukid National High School, and early timeout that was called on the side of their team. 12-4 is our score.
And we will be back after this very, very short break. And we are back on the hard court for the continuation of the matchup between the Greyhounds and the Blue Dragons. It's set number 2, 12-14 on the scoreboard, still in favor of the UNC Greyhounds. Good serve. Regalo! And a point, easy point for the Greyhounds.
Syempre with that height coming from Materes, talagang bantay sarado niya dito yung bola dito sa net. And now, UNC Greyhound still on the run here. Another good serve. Pamukid will try. Andun yung depensa. Jersey number 8 with that soft touch. Olaguer make business on that. Nabantayan dito. And now, chance ball on the side of Pamukid National High School. Too strong on that attack. It means free point will be given on the side of Greyhounds. 14-4 is our score.
That was too strong. It's 14-4. Still on the service line, but that ends the momentum. Now we're seeing a substitution. Jersey number 12 in, number 5 out. These veteran players that we saw last season are still here for the season 6 on the side of the UNC Greyhound. But on that serve, it's an error for the Blue Dragons. Libreng puntos for the Greyhounds. Good serve. Rebellion on the back, but straight to the net. Unforced error for the Pamukid Blue Dragon.
Materes on deck to serve. Another good serve. Pamukid will try. Jersey number 8. Straight to the net din. Yung attacking yon. 16-6. 10-point lead ang hawak ng Greyhounds. It seems like a deja vu on our set number 1 para sa ating scoreboard. But still, hindi pa tapos ang laban for these both teams. And the point is awarded on the side of Greyhounds. With that off the block hit. Now Greyhounds to serve.
The opposite. A long shot. Outside hit coming from Pamukid. And it's another point for the UNC Greyhounds. It's 8-6. Napakalaking kalamangan dito. But I think the Pamukid National High School should be more consistent just to tie the score. But as we see on the screen right now, now in the middle, Servillon, and there is a strong hit coming from this young player.
Talagang nakikisabayan dito si Servillon. Look at that powerful middle attack. Grabe, I've seen a lot of players then on the UAP stage na ganito. Dongalio and Netura.
Definitely, yeah.
Yes.
If we will, compare her to other UAP stars, she looks like Netura, right?
Yes. An all-around player on the side of, on the team of Adamson, and Servillon portraying her at this moment on the side of Pamukid.
She's the Netura of Bicol, maybe, Rick?
Yes. So, yun nga. Rising star ang nabanggit dito on the side of Pamukid. A couple of points on their side. Another sharp serve. Jersey number 9, babawi.
And it's a check ball.
And it catches the line then, so the point will go on the side of UNC Greyhounds.
So on the service line, Jersey number 11.
In the middle again, Servillon.
Wow.
Grabe naman itong batang to, binibigla tayo. Look at that. No hesitation on that approach. And killing that ball on the side of Pamukid.
And the elevation read.
Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Kaya nakikita ko nga itong player na to sa ibang mga players because yung ibang players dito, ganun na ganun din yung ginagawa.
Another one from her. What a fighter Servillon is. A reliable player from the Blue Dragons. Talagang mahalin tulad mo siya, with all the players na sobrang gagaling.
The eagerness and the passion on the volleyball. But this time, UNC Greyhounds cutting that momentum on the side of Pamukid. Wow, syempre hindi rin papatalo dito. Itong UNC Greyhounds, 20-11 is our score, 5 more points to seal this second set and completely get these 2 sets dito sa ating laro.
And you already know the play of the UNC Greyhounds. They really did well even last season. And pinapakita talaga yung pagiging veteran nila inside the court. And you can see it's 21-11. The Pamukid is down with 10 points against the UNC Greyhounds. And that's a service ace for the Greyhounds. Another point for them.
3 more points on securing their 2 sets win para sa araw na ito. Another great serve this time. Nakuha na ito ng Pamukid and will try on the attack. It catches the end line. So point will go on the side of their team. 22-12 is our score.
And that was a good hit because it's check ball.
Arizabal on deck to serve. Poor first ball, pero gagawa ng paraan dito. Too strong on the attack coming from Servillon. That leads to the set point on the side of UNC. One more time for Arizabal. And this time, set point save on the side of Pamukid. And I love how they celebrated every points na nakukuha nila.
And it's really good to see these youngsters enjoying the game.
Yes.
Even they are down with many points against their opponent. And another point for them, for the Blue Dragons. Another stop for the set point of these UNC Greyhounds.
In the middle, ending this set number 2 with that beautiful quick hit coming from Martinez. 25-14 is our final score for the second set. We will be right back for our third set action only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor. Kasurog kang kalikasan. Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences,
And we are back on the hard court for the third set. Probably the last set for the UNC Greyhound, but let's see if the Pamukid National Blue Dragons will extend another set this game. Now on the service line, jersey number 8.
Back set to Cervellon, finding that zone number 5. Zone number 4 rather on the side of UNC. And successful on that last hit. So first point will go on the side of their team. Jersey number 1 on deck to serve. Two straight points. 2 straight points on the side of Pamukid National High School. On deck to serve again, jersey number 1.
In the middle, Cervellon. Good coverage. Now Martirez. Arizobal rather. And that's a point for Arizobal on the open side of the court.
On deck to serve, we have UNC Greyhounds. Soft touch. Bantay sarado dito. Arizobal will try and Arizobal will score.
And right now, let's hear an update on the side of Pamukid. We have Zai. Zai, any update there?
Kelly and Rick, coach reminded his players na the reason why they're here in the first place. That's to enhance their gameplays and boost their capabilities into their maximum potential. Sobrang bigat nga ng kanilang kalaban, pero ang maganda naman dito sa side ng Dragons is that hindi sila bumibigay sa kalaban. Kahit na medyo mainam ang scores nila, they recover fast and adjust properly. It takes a lot of guts to be inside the court and do your best. Kaya let's continue to support these players here at the third set. That's all the updates I have for now from the side of the Lady Dragons. Balik sa inyo, Kelly and Rick.
Ayan, thank you so much, Zai, for that update. So yun nga, talagang na-appreciate natin dito yung effort on the side of Pamukid National High School. Sabi nga dito ng courtside reporter on their side, they are here for experience and at the same time, ma-build or ma-boost yung confidence nila because knowing na itong mga nakakatapat nila dito is a veterans. So this is a confidence booster and at the same time, experience on their side. So I'm so happy sa ginagawa dito ng ating Pamukid National High School. So, aabangan pa natin dito sa third set kung makakakuha ba sila ng isang set against the UNC Greyhounds. And to hear an update on the other side of things, let's call our courtside reporter, Precious. Hi, Precious. Ano naman update sa Greyhounds?
Maraming salamat, Rick and Kelly. We're down to the last set and the energy is getting more palpable as both teams give their fullest best. Muling itinatak ni Coach Clark sa koponan na panatilihin ang malakas at magandang flow ng laro at bigyang pwersa ang kanilang recoveries. Hinding-hindi nagpapasindak ang ating UNC Lady Greyhounds sa ibinibigay ng kabilang kuponan because they came here prepared to ace the game. This is Precious Garcia, your courtside correspondent from the bench of the UNC Lady Greyhounds via Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kelly.
Thank you so much, Precious. What a word, palpable. I love it. You know, this beautiful, let us acknowledge this beautiful courtside reporters, hardworking courtside reporters of all the teams right now. They're really showing off good communication skills, of course, beautiful faces and hearts. And syempre, talking about the UNC Greyhound, these veteran players are not just showing their capabilities but as well as their true self in terms of playing the game. Hindi lang basta-basta naglalaro ang mga player na ito, but instead, they are making this, of course, to win this matchup. But on this side, still on the service line, jersey number 9.
Pipe attack on the side of Pamukid. Ball is still alive. Arizobal will shy. What a sharp cross-court hit coming from her. 2 straight points para dito sa Greyhounds. That's why abante na ang kanilang kupunan.
That was an error for the UNC Greyhounds. We're now seeing substitution, number 4 out, number 12 Ologer in.
Si Olager, small but terrible player on the side of Pamukid National High School, serving the ball. Soft touch na bantay nito. And now, on the attack, Olager straight to the net. Unforced error on that last play on the side of Pamukid National High School. Great serve. Pababawin si Olager. Andon yung depensa ng Greyhounds. But, attack error din ang papakaw ng jersey number 8 on the side of Greyhounds. And with that, isang puntos na lamang ang kailangan trabahuhin on the side of Pamukid National High School to tie this matchup.
That was good.
Ball is still alive though. Wow. Pababawian dito sa jersey number 8. And the point will be awarded on the side of Pamukid National High School. Net touch ang itatawag, I believe, dito kay Martirez. So we are all tied up at 7, Kelly. So far, maganda ang inilalaro dito nitong Pamukid National High School sa ating pangatlong set. Talagang dinidikit nila dito yung score.
As we can say, the UNC Greyhounds should not be complacent on this one kasi they will never know what will happen.
Yes.
It's really that bilog ang bola. You know, hindi natin alam kung sino ang pupuntos ng maayos at sino ang mapapako sa puntos na yon. But on that sequence, nakita naman natin an error coming from the Greyhounds. At this time, another one. 2-point lead for the Pamukid Blue Dragons. And a timeout called for the first time for the UNC Greyhounds.
So this is a good sign on the side of Pamukid National High School dahil napa-timeout nila dito itong UNC Greyhounds. And 2-point lead ang kanilang hawak. So a better third set on the side of Lady Dragons. They need to be consistent if they want to steal and snatch the set number 3. Or else, UNC Greyhounds, mas straight set sila dito. And ayan on your screen, our audience sa loob ng NCF covered court na patuloy na nakatutok at sumusuporta sa atin kahit gabi na. It's 6:54 in the evening and still, the energy is palpable inside the NCF covered court. And now, Greyhounds on deck to serve. Jersey number 11 breaking down the wall. This time, the confidence is shown on the side of Pamukid. Kitang-kita dito na kahit ang tataas ng blockers on the side of Greyhounds, no hesitation na papaluin ng ating Lady Dragons itong nasa-set sa kanilang bola. So this is a good sign nga on the side of their team.
And also, Rick, I think this is what the Blue Dragons should need to maximize, yung confidence within them. Na pumalo ng bola, but on that sequence, that goes straight to the net. But still, kudos to these young players who are fighting really well right now on this matchup. Talagang hindi nagpapatalo. Walang ate-ate dito.
Yes. I'm so happy for the valuable actions na natutunghayan natin dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. Cervello naman ngayon. No, napakanan sana nung up na yon for Arizobal, but nobody gets that second ball on the side of their team. That's why Pamukid secures that point. Substitution, Alaguer ilalabas at ibabalik dito sa loob si Leal.
It's 11-9 in favor of the Blue Dragons. Let's see on the UNC Grants on how they will adjust. But a good point for the UNC Greyhounds.
Breaks down the wall.
Using that blocker.
Coming from jersey number 9. And now 1 point ang kailangang habulan ng Greyhounds to tie this matchup. And with that error and service ace on the side of UNC Greyhounds, we are all tied up at 11. Again, the intensity of this match, napakaganda for these both teams. Good first ball this time. Olaguer gagawa ng paraan pero bantay sarado dito ni Arizobal. And turning the table on their side with 12-11 on our score.
Now still on the service line. Isang puntos na po ang kalamangan dito ng Greyhounds. Now, to the open. Now chance. But it's outside it. We are tied out. Currently, both teams are rattling inside the court. But after that error, tie po tayo ngayon with 12-12. Now, jersey number 1 will be serving for the Blue Dragons.
Arizobal! Straight to the net attack.
Another unforced error.
Yes, rare error for Arizobal para dito sa larong ito. But the point is a point, and it will go on the side of Pamukid. Now serving jersey number 1. Back-to-back error for both teams. Greyhounds to serve. It catches the end line, so automatically the point will be given on the side of Greyhounds. 14-13 on our scoreboard. Unlike the 2 previous sets, itong third set natin, Kelly, talagang laban na laban itong dalawang kupunan. Ayaw magpahuli. In the middle, Cervello, andon yung defense on the side of Greyhounds. Arizobal will try. Coronel setting up at the back, will give up a free ball.
Miscue there.
Great dig on the side of Pamukid. And this time, getting a point on that last attack coming from Cervello. Let's take a look one more time for our replay. The swipe of that attack, very effective para dito kay Cervello. Deadlock at 14. Chance ball on the side of Pamukid. Pipe attack by Cervellon, but straight to the net. Attack coming from her. Leal will try. Too strong on that attack. 16-14. 2-point lead ang hawak ng Greyhounds. Coronel setting up her teammate. Good coverage this time. Leal will give up a free ball on the side of Greyhounds. Back set. Great day coming from Coronel. And pipe attack on jersey number 11. Down the line hit. Good coverage.
We're seeing a long rally right now, Rick. Good save.
Wow. Long rally alert. Cervellon, pipe attack. And miss hit coming from her. At mapapatawagan ng timeout ang Pamukid National High School because so far this is the biggest lead na hawak ng Greyhounds. 17-14 is our score. We will be right back after the short break.
We are now back on the hard court. It's 17-14 on the scoreboard. And that serve is out. It's 15 for the Blue Dragons while 17 for the UNC Greyhounds. Dalawang kalamangan po dito ng Greyhounds. Good serve. Now, setting up to the open. Good pick up there. Now, good coverage. Orizobal, deflected. Setting up in the middle. But, that was a 4 touches for the UNC Greyhounds. It was a point for the Blue Dragons. It's 17-16. Isang kalamangan na lang po ang ahabulin dito ng Pamukid.
Another good serve.
Wow, and we are tied.
Yes.
Right now on third set, it's 17 all.
Like I've said before, a closed set number 3 for these both teams. Wow, walang bumibitaw. Now, pababawiin dito, Kelly, ang Greyhounds, pero good coverage para kay Leal. Jersey number 11 was blocked and
good coverage.
Good coverage, yes. Ball is still alive. Arizobal.
And that was a good down the line hit. Pinadaan sa blocker.
Pinadaan sa maliit na blocker on the side of UNC, and now
it was a smart move for Arizobal, and now she's serving.
Back set to Olaguer. Guarded here at the net. Cervellon will try. Andon si Arizobal in the middle. Soft touch was good para dito kay Martirez. (19-17) is our score. And service ace for her. 3-point lead ang hawak ng Greyhounds ngayon. And a timeout was pressed on the side of Pamukid National High School. 20-17 is our score. And Jersey, or rather UNC Greyhounds, at the 20-point mark of this third set. This is very crucial, Kali, on the side of Pamukid National High School, knowing na sila ang naghahabol dito. And I'm sure, looking at the snapshot on the side of UNC Greyhounds, they are very happy with their performance at this moment. And some highlights.
5 points away, Rick, for the Greyhounds to end this match up. But let's see on how the Pamukid Blue Dragons will adjust on this scene. Out of the ball with the serve. And it's a service ace for her. It's 21-17. The players of the Greyhounds are now happy, considering that 4 points away to end this semi-finals first matchup against the Blue Dragons. Good chase there. Sarvillon with that back attack. Adjust. Now, good dig to the open. And that was an outside hit. A overcalculated attack coming from Olaguer. And still on the service line. Serving. Another good deceive there in the middle. Long shot. Another outside hit for the Blue Dragons.
And with that, UNC Greyhounds 2 points away on securing their spot dito sa ating Bucal Season 6.
Almost a service ace with good save. Oh! But hindi umabot yung save na yon. It's match point for the UNC Greyhounds. Good serve. Now setting up to the open. And that stops the match point for the Pamukid Dragons. Let's see now on that service. Jersey number 10 will be serving. Setting up to open to end this match. Good dig. But that's the end of this game. UNC Greyhounds versus Pamukid Blue Dragons. And the Greyhounds ended with 25-18 for the third set. At maya-maya nga lamang, makikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game sa pagbabalik ng Bucal Season 6 Volleyball Tournament only here on GNN TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, Krog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies a future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
And there you have it. Our best player of the game is brought to us by Tigers Cafe, located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. And beside me is our best player of the game, wearing jersey number 4, Sheena Arizobal. 15 points, 9 attacks, 3 blocks, and 3 service aces. So congratulations on your big win dito sa semifinals. And ano yung nararamdaman mo knowing na isa ka sa nagpapanalo at nagdala ng UNC Grounds sa championship dito sa Bucal?
Sobrang thankful po ako. Speechless. Yung sa amin po kasi, ginawa naman po namin ang lahat, ang best namin para po makaabot kaming finals. And para po sa akin, mas gagalingan ko pa po. And di lang naman din po ako ang nagdala ng laro namin, kundi ang lahat naman po ng team.
Ayan, surely nakita nga natin dito ang iyong performance. So ano pang aabangan namin gagawin ng UNC Greyhounds knowing na kayo na ang nasa championship at kung sino man ang manalo dito sa dalawang maglalaro ngayon, yun ang makakatapan nyo. So anong preparations ang aabangan namin sa Greyhounds?
More pa po, training pa po kami and gagawin po namin ang lahat na best namin para po maano namin ang sa finals namin po na laro. And Lahat po na team, lahat naman po kami nagtutulungan para sa maabot mo po ang championship game.
And lastly, this is your time to shout out all the fans and supporters na nanood ngayon sa laban ng Greyhounds and the Pamukid.
Una-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa taas and sa family ko po na walang sawang sumusuporta, and sa sports director namin, Coach Maggie, and sa UNC community, salamat po. And lalo na po kay Ian, walang sawang sumusuporta po.
Ayan, thank you so much and congratulations again, Sheena. At yan, that's our best player of the game for this match.
And that was the end of our first ever game in semifinals for the women's division. At syempre, congratulations for the both teams. Of course, to the UNC Greyhounds for nailing it in 3 straight sets. And of course, there's no to be ashamed of for the Pamukid youngsters, these Blue Dragons, because they did so really well inside the court and in this match. At syempre po, maraming salamat sa pagtutok muli. Ako po si Kelly Francisco.
And I am Rick Puerta. For more action, just tune in to Uragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.